Hello YouTube family, welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. It's been a while without posting on this channel actually, because I've been going through a lot, exams and such stuff. But in this video it's gonna be a very interesting one, because I'll be taking you through a typical day in my life as a student at uni, as an aspiring forex trader, guys. So if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're new, like this video, share it with your friends, because your support really means a lot to the channel. So today is a Monday, and on a typical Monday I don't take trades, but I just wanted us to go into the charts and do some analysis and see where the week might be taking us in the markets. But guess what happened, guys? Just check it out. My PC just bailed out on me, though it's plugged in, it's not powering on, so I guess we shall have to buy a new PC, guys. Yeah, but regardless, we move, and I'll have to do some analysis on my phone. So see you inside the charts. Yes sir, so let's look at the two pairs that I trade. I normally trade Euro USD and GJ. So let's look at Euro USD. So when we look at Euro USD, we shall see that Euro USD has, on the daily time frame, first of all, it had reacted from this supply right there. We had reacted from that supply, then we went down, and now recently the pair has been in a very big uptrend into another supply zone, which I see on the daily. Let me mark it for you guys. So I'm seeing this supply zone here. Yeah, so why do I consider it as a varied supply zone? Because I see it caused some breakout structure. We caused some breakout structure right here. So that was the supply zone that pushed price down there. So recently we came back into that zone, and when we go on a rotating frame, let's say the 4-hour, we see clearly that there was some reaction on that supply zone. Yeah, so would it be wise to take like buys from this zone right here? Yeah, some people will take buys, but I personally will be taking sales. And why would I take sales? Because on the higher time frame, we already see that the price has reacted to a higher time frame zone. So it would be very wise to go to the lower time frames and see the structure that is happening, and consider the lower time frame to align with the higher time frame bias. So we see that here there was somewhat of a breakout structure, and now that is like confirmation that we are going to start selling. Again, this is my personal view, and this is not financial advice. This is how I would approach the markets. So when we go to the DXY, which is like the index for the dollar, we are seeing that it's also reacting from a higher time frame demand zone. So this means that if the DXY is buying, then we are going to be selling the Euro USD. Yeah, so I don't see any other better way of approaching this than in this way, guys. So then yeah, so if we're expecting the DXY to buy, then for the Euro USD we shall be expecting that sell to appear right there. This is because remember, we are already in the higher time frame supply zone. Yeah, so that would be my analysis. When we go to GBP GPY, I don't really also in a downtrend going on, but as we see, yeah, I would be considering sales, as we are still in GJ is confusing, a very strong selling move. It's hard for me to take trades, because when we align very well, we want price to come back to that demand zone, and that's where I will be starting to consider maybe putting in buys in GJ. Maybe but otherwise, I would leave it at that, because I don't see anything reach before really much on GJ one. Yeah, so that is the demand zone that I will be waiting for price at. In case it takes that liquidity down there and taps into the zone, then we shall go to the lower time frames to start looking for change of characters, so that we can start buying GJ. If you go to the one, we'll see if there is a clear picture there. Yeah, so back to our Euro USD, I would be entering a position such as this. Though I told you guys I don't trade on Mondays. Yeah, that's part of my plan. So looking at this breakout structure here, then well drawn and like that. So I'll be considering to take some sales if today was my trading day, guys. So that will be considered a change of character right there for me, because remember we are in the surprise zone, the higher time frame surprise zone. So this is the 5-minute time frame, and yeah, I would be planning to execute this trade like a 1 to 2, yeah, risking 1 to gain 2, yeah, which is enough, guys, if you're trading a good strategy like mine. Yeah, so I'll be updating you by the end of the day on this trade. So that was my view on the charts, what will happen in the markets. It's a personal view, it's not financial advice once again, guys. So with that, let me now head off to campus and attend some lecture. I'm already late, guys, so I have to do some speed here. So hey guys, as we walk to campus, because I stay a little bit far from campus, I just wanted to tell you this thing that I've observed in my 5 years of Forex trading. So most traders that get into the industry will come in thinking that this is maybe a get rich quick scheme, because you saw some Lambos online, you saw someone buying a Range Rover, and you think when you come into the markets you will also get that Range Rover. But the truth is actually that Forex, to be successful in Forex, there are just like 3 things that you will need. The first thing is you will need the knowledge. After getting the knowledge, then you will need the discipline. This is not advice, because I'm also sometimes in discipline in the markets. I also set my plans and then just forgo the plans in a second. So this is just what I've seen working for people in the markets, and it worked for me, because when I became disciplined, then I saw the results. When I became indisciplined, then the same, I saw the bad results. So it's all about discipline, then the knowledge, then the other most important thing will be having a goal. You should have a plan, what you're targeting in a day, what you want to achieve in a month. And then the other most important thing that most people will never tell you about is capital. So regardless, if you have small capital, you have the knowledge, you have the discipline, you have everything. Yes, you can flip a $10 account, let's say, to 10k, but it's very, very difficult. And on the mathematical scale, on the arithmetic part of it, it's like 1 in 100 chances. So the biggest part that traders miss out is capital, because if let's say you're trading a $10 account and you catch a move that will make you $20, that move on a $10 account, on a 10k account, would have made you like, let's say, $400. $400 is something huge. So the aspects of trading that you should focus on is knowledge, getting the discipline, being disciplined. Then the other most important part will be capital, because I'm also still struggling with some of those. So I'm just talking like bro to bro, yeah. But just make sure that all those are in check. If they're in check and you're not profitable, then bro, there's something else that might be spiritual. So man, them had to first go to some mobile money, and get some car transport because I was already late for class. Na hiyo mobile money attendant alinafiga traders, let's focus. So here I had grabbed my border as I entered the city. So guys, if you know this campus that I'm going to, put it in the comment section. If you know this town, it's a beautiful town, it's a nice town, it's a campus. Yo guys, so tell me guys, isn't this town really beautiful? Because for the time I've been here, everything is cool in this town, everything is nice, the people are nice and everything. So tell me if you recognize this town and just type it in the comment section below. If you also recognize the university, big up, put it in the comment section below so that we can know your experience with it. So we're almost reaching here. It's not actually very far, it's just like 5 minutes from my place, though it's looking like 10 kilometers. And so here I had reached already, entering the gate. Man, them was rushing to class because others were in class like for already almost 40 minutes now. Rushing and all that. Don't be surprised why I'm passing through hospitals and stuff. That's how it is here. My lecture was in the hospital section of the campus, so I had to rush through the ICU and what. So man, them had to go through all the corners. If you know this campus, you know how tricky it is to find rooms, like lecture rooms, if you're a fresher. So my lecture was up there in the conference hall. I had to enter the room like a ninja. Because everyone was already seated like 40 minutes ago. Your man had to sneak in and look for the best strategic position. So that was me entering. Then I had to look for a seat. Yes, I looked for the one in front, guys. Don't think I'm going to sit behind. So searching for the location. Man, them has found the location, the backbencher since nursery. Man. So seated in class already. According to my notes, guys, who can guess the course I'm doing? You're using Proverbs in class. Man, name is always serious. I wish I could transfer that seriousness to the chats, man. So lecture is done. It's time to go home. Before going home, I met up with my good friend. We decided first to go and have some lunch. So which lunch do you think we are going to have, guys? You know the lunch at campus. Put it in the comment section if you're already guessing the lunch that we are going to have. Our beautiful campus. We were heading on for lunch. We're already at our 5-star hotel. You see the plates are already waiting for us. It's like they were knowing that the legends are coming. And people don't mind about the hands. The hands are always clean. We have the insurance because no one has ever died. And this is the 5-star restaurant for most of us. So bon appetit. We're going for food. 1 to 1 2 already done. We don't waste time. So we found out that we had eaten all the money. We had to get another car withdraw from mobile money for juice. So we had to go back and get some organic juice. Guys, don't drink sodas. Make sure that you drink organic juice that comes from fruits so that you don't get sick. because we don't have the money to pay your hospital bills. Yeah, so got some juice to get ready to go home and yeah, finish the day like that. Yeah, that's the Mogaga. Yeah, we are going. That's the route to home. I think now. So I think you think that campus is easy. You just study one lecture and go back home. Yeah, things are easy this side. Hey guys, tell me, is it easy at your campuses? And then I saw this one. I couldn't fail to record it because you know why. We also had to eat bananas. Yo, so what's up YouTube? Welcome back from all that. So I'm already back home from all that. So I'm just gonna take a shower, chill, and watch a movie maybe. So, but before that, let's see what happened in the markets on the other trades that we took some simple analysis on and see how the market was playing and all that. Yeah, but remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share to a friend, and comment any other things that you would like me to see do on this channel. As long as they're related to Forex, then I'm in. Yeah, peace. It's like now 7 minutes to 3 and we did these trades I think in the morning. Yeah, so when we check on the trades now, let me see, it was one trade actually on Euro USD because I didn't trade GJ. I didn't understand what the fuck was happening on GJ, though I'm seeing it sold like crazy. So when you go to the charts, let me go to Euro USD. So that was the trade that was gotten on Euro USD. So this trade has played out like, let me see, if you use the price range tool, like from our entry to where the price started reversing here, we see it's like 52 pips. So 52 pips on an account that is well managed and you're using a good risk to reward ratio. That's some good money if you have good capital. So yeah, the reason again why I entered that trade was, as you see here, that was like the last break of structure. Remember, we were in a surprise zone, then price put in a change of character there. So when price put in a change of character there, we got another break of structure on the 5 minute. So this was it here. So that was also a break of structure. Then now I entered right there. So my entry was here. As you see, it played out. And I hope for price to continue moving down and down and down. So that was it for this video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content, and yeah, that's it. See you in the next one, guys.